What do you think about that? Woo! What do you say now? Hey, I'll talk to you today. We're always looking at the old equipment, the stuff that's done been put through it, abused, used, put away, and then it's up to you to come back. Today, I'm gonna look at something brand new. I like what's in this box. I want you to like it too. I want you to like it a lot. I ain't gonna hide from you, it's a big old pressure washer, belt drive, 8 gallons a minute, 3,500 PSI. Let's take a look at what's in there. I like what I see down in here. As soon as you open the box, first thing packaged nice and neat right up on top is your gun and wand assembly. Right here, taking up all this space, is a fuel tank. If you buy this unit complete, you get the fuel tank, you get the battery box, chemical injector, 4 tips, and a chemical tip, and 50 feet of non-marking hose. Hey, got all that cardboard off. We say we give it to once around, see what's going on in there. Check that out. It's pretty if nothing else. Man, telling me about it. Let's just take it in for a moment. What are you looking for when you're buying new equipment? Components, quality components. You want to know that name when you buy a piece of equipment. What are we looking at? We're looking at a 8 gallon a minute, 3,500 PSI pressure washer, sporting a GX690 engine and a General TSF 2021 pump. Pump been around for a minute now. It's been reliable. It's already equipped out with a bypass hose back to your buffer tank. They have dressed this engine out with both oil change tubes for your engine as well as your pump. That makes things so much simpler to maintain your equipment for the long term. Look at here, they've already dressed you out with quick connects for your fuel system. That's looking out for the customer right there. I like that. You can choose to either buy this unit as a whole with all the accessories, or you can buy just the wash rig itself. Now, you look at those components and they're good quality components and you always want them, just check it out. That's some things I like to look for. I really like the adjustment, the way they've set us up where we can make belt adjustments in the future. If you buy it complete, you get all the nozzles, 50 feet of hose, gun, chemical injector, battery box. Why don't you holler at old Rooster if you're interested in grabbing up one of these rigs. We'll slide one right in the back of your truck. If you'll check the description down below, I'll put all the specifications that you might like to know. We'll see y'all soon. Hey, bye.